Meaning of game park.
Game park.
Game park.
Game park.
Game park. A game park generally refers to a protected area of land where wildlife such as animals, birds, and reptiles are preserved for conservation, education, and recreational purposes. The primary goal of a game park is to protect and preserve the natural habitats of these animals, while providing visitors with opportunities to observe and learn about them. Game parks usually offer a range of activities, including safari tours, guided hikes, and wildlife observation. They play a vital role in preserving the world's biodiversity and helping people develop a greater appreciation for nature.